How to fix Telegram not sending code to phone. First and foremost, check your internet or network connection. Ensure your phone is connected to a stable mobile network or Wi-Fi. Restart your device and confirm that you have received SMS or call. And if that still does not help you, now you have to verify your phone number. Double check the phone number that you have entered, including your country code. Ensure there are no typos or missing digits. And if you have entered the correct phone number and still you're not able to receive a message, if SMS is not working, you have to wait for an alternative verification option. Telegram often provides an option for voice call to deliver the code, so wait for a few minutes to appear or for that option to appear in your interface. If that's not your case, confirm that Telegram is not restricted in your country or region. And the next method, if that still does not help you, is to clear the app cache or reinstall the application. In order to clear the application cache, you have to open up settings, and under settings search for apps, or you can simply directly go to apps from your settings and using the search bar from the top right corner, search for Telegram. So once you're under the app info page here, scroll down and tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. After you have cleared the cache, you can close all of this. Now go back if the problem is solved or not. If not, you can uninstall the application from this device and reinstall it back and try again to receive the code. And these are all the steps to help you fix if you are not able to receive the verification code in your mobile device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.